I'm Max Rutherford. I'm the Director of Marketing and Technology for JetPay Solutions. JetPay, first and foremost, is a card payment services provider. We do global card processing from the States, and my role, which I was hired in 2014, is to develop help develop the UK and European operation. My role within JetPay, as I said as per my title, is marketing and technology. So I'm both in charge of the promotion and the marketing activity, as well as making sure that we have the right technologies. I'm in charge of the P&L to get all those things done, and I work with our US engineers in making sure that we provide the best possible service to all our customers. In our world, we have things, the world of credit card payments is actually quite complex. There's a lot of parties involved, and the elements that we're involved in is the card acquiring side, and in order to be able to do that, we have our FCA license. That effectively allows us to trade in electronic money. And on top of that, and what makes us a little more unique, is we have a big technology base, and we're one of the first card processors to get away from old legacy systems and start to bring things up to date using technologies like XML. And so we're a very tech-based provider in this marketplace. Our website, jetpay.co.uk, lists all our services. We're one of the first providers to really develop tokenization. Now it's an ordinary watchword, and just for people who might be interested, tokenization allows us to get through various what we call PCI DSS compliance issues. What it means is that data is stored, but it's tokenized, it's encrypted. It's meaningless data. It might well be the card information data that it's handling, but to all intents and purposes, particularly hackers, it's worthless piece of information. Its only value is to us. On top of that, we have other great products for recurring transactions. We're sort of pioneers with that as well, insofar as a lot of people put things like sports memberships onto their credit cards, and halfway through they'll change their credit card, something might happen. For our customers, the merchant, the sports clubs, they get very frustrated when people, when the membership, the payment is not met, is declined. We have various software tools and tricks in order to make sure that we monitor that, and should that card, the predicament around that card change, we can notify the merchant get on to the customer, and the payments continue. We needed an established base in the UK, and I always work with recommendations, and I was lucky enough to have a colleague that I've worked with on a number of occasions going back many years, and he gave VIRTUS a glowing recommendation, which for me was the green light to come and talk to you guys, and everything has been great so far. The speed of response is good. We're able to access the right people at the right time. The account handler that we have is very good and very responsive and gets things done for us. And that's really the kind of qualities that we're looking for.